People of the internet, welcome back to another video. I know I was gone for a month, but while I was gone, I stumbled upon this thing called TikTok, and we are outside, as you can see. I thought it'd be a good idea to do animal TikToks that are funny. So let's react to those right now. Okay. So here we go. Just hit play, and then the first one will go.
Give him back, Jerry! He took my AirPods, Allie! Where'd he go, Allie? Jerry! Jerry, no! Jerry, no! Stop! Jerry, stop! Bad dog!
Okay, hold on. Apparently ducks can use AirPods now, and drive cars. Wow, I did not. Okay, next one.
Hey Chewbacca, I'm going out. Does my breath smell bad? You
That's
smell
such a cute
bad.
dog.
Okay, I'm sorry, Chewie, but for real, does my breath smell bad? Man, I'll have to take that from you.
That dog's so cute. I think his name was, he said his name was Chewbacca. It looks like Chewbacca from Star Wars.
I'm a kangaroo. Hippity hoppity hippity hoppity hippity. Happy National Pet Day.
Happy National Pet. What is this man doing? Oh my god. What kind of drugs is this guy on? Okay, let's continue. Okay, Pokemon. Cuba, oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, I think that's his name, Cubone. Let me know down in the comments if I was right. I hope I was.
This is actually my 20-foot python named Lucy, and I'm soaking her because she's got a little bit of stuck shed on her. So we're just going to get her moving this way, and actually I'm going to help her get that shed off. Now, a lot of people think that if you take the shed off a snake, it can actually be a bad thing. But the truth is that if a snake needs to be shed, to soak it like this is actually a really good thing. It's very soothing for them to actually get it off like that. So it's not a bad thing at all. And she's a big, big snake. So, all right, we'll help Lucy out here, and we'll get her back in her habitat.
Okay, that was satisfying. And that was a really long snake. Okay, let's.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Oh my god, that cat was so cute. Its face was so cool. It was like half black and then half ginger. So, never seen that kind of cat before.
Oh, Jesus! Jerry, stop digging your hole and get in the house. Stop digging in the sandbox. Jerry, no, get in the house, Jerry! Where did he go? Jerry, get out of the sink! What are you doing? Jerry! Stop!
What is wrong with ducks? Oh my god. This dog have a bone hanging out of his mouth and everything. Oh my god, that was oh my god, it's so cute. What the heck? Is that a guy dressed up as a werewolf?
No, Mother. That's what I thought.
Man, I tell you, cats will get you.
And I can put it in a bun.
Oh my god, that song's so cute.
And I can put it in the front. I got my eggs back.
Pen, did you just forget that melody?
No, 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 no.
That song.
Yeah!
When I popped off.
I was busy thinking about
Food. Sleep. Chipotle.
Okay, that. Why are all these dogs so cute? Chipotle.
Oh, crazy! Oh my god!
Oh my god. That dog just did whoop. It's like yeet.
What you doing? Wanna go down? Can you go downstairs?
No, what's he gonna do?
Hey!
That dog went full send.
Hey girl, you like me a little bit?
No, I don't even like you a little
Okay,
bit.
hold on.
Come on,
Pause.
girl. You
Why is a pig wearing sunglasses? Okay, let's
like me
keep
a
going.
little bit.
Not even a little bit.
Wait, don't you like me a little bit?
What don't you understand? I don't like you.
I think that was a Maddie B rap song. That was, oh my god, that was so weird. That was the dog or the pig was wearing a tutu.
Go, yeah,
You see?
yeah, yeah, yep. Keep going, bro. Keep going, bro. You go, Tito.
Was that? What did I just witness? I just watched a dog handstand pee.
Cookie! Cookie, what? Ah! Can't clean up this man!
Cookie, you fat butt! Get out of the way!
Cookie, stop eating it! Get out of the way! Cookie, get out of the way!
Oh my god, that cat just pooped all over that guy. Wow.
Girls like you around, guys like me, so now I come through.
Oh my god, that dog's so cute.
Yeah.
What's going on? Oh my god! Jerry, what the hell is wrong with you? Leave Jerry alone! Fine! Please stop stealing the marshmallows! Happy freaking New Year!
That's what? Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's keep going.
What are you doing? No, no, no.
What the heck? Is this raccoon on like drugs?
Hey, such a
That dog's bark. Oh my god. Well, that was all of them. Those are. I still had a lot more, but those were just the funniest that I thought. And so I actually want to talk about. Take this out real quick. I actually want to talk about real quick. What happened to all my videos, because I didn't really want to make a separate video for it. I just want to inform you guys in case you wanted to know. I deleted them all. I just didn't want to have to deal with the FTC and the COPPA and all their new rules. So the safest way for me to do that was to delete all my previous videos and to start fresh. Also, a bunch of my older videos had different schedules. So I'm going to stick to one this year, which is every Wednesday I'm going to post a video. And so yeah, I just wanted to clear that up and just start fresh. Also, question of the week. Last week's question was, what should I do with my hair? And I got a few responses back that just said to keep it like it is. So hopefully this is okay. It's really crazy, but I'm hoping to make it longer so it'll look better. So this week's question of the week is, if you're stranded on an island, what is the one thing that you would bring that you couldn't live without? So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll pick the funniest to share. And yeah, so that's all for this week's video. So I hope you enjoyed, and remember to like and subscribe and share with a friend. We're trying to get to 200 because we're almost at 160. So if one more person subscribes, we will have 160 subscribers. So thank you. Also, thank you for I think it was 20 views on last week's video, and it was only like posted like 3 days ago. So thank you for that, and I will see you guys later.